With the Phoenix heat behind us, we headed 3 hours north toward Flagstaff in search of cooler weather and a campsite called the Edge of the World. But before we even arrived, Apple Maps had other plans. Permanently closed. After a quick check of the Forest Service website, we decided to take our chances and keep going. The road got rougher, dustier, and bumpier, and as we got closer, we started wondering if there would be any campsites left at all. We passed on our first spot, took a gamble on finding something better, and it paid off with one of the best views we've ever camped beside. From morning walks and off-road trails to unexpected campsite visitors and incredible views, this trip reminded us that the best adventures really can happen in a single weekend. Welcome to Made for the Journey.
We are headed to Edge of the World, Flagstaff. It's about 102 degrees right now. We're gonna go hit some 75-degree weather.
Yes, I love it. Okay, so Alex is just looking on his phone.
Yeah.
And it says campsite permanently closed. So I'm gonna do some research here.
Oh, brutal. Gotta roll with the punches though.
The way to confirm is that we need to go look up the forest road that we would be taking.
Oh.
And look up US Forest Service and then double check that way. So the forest road that we would take to get up there, I think is 231. Open. Forest Road 231, which is Woody Mountain Road, is open. So we're going for it.
Let's go!
Okay, the last hour to the edge of the world
A little bumpy.
Is
It's not that
so you
bad.
just have to be ready.
It's a little bumpy.
You got to take your Dramamine. You got to eyes on the road.
It's beautiful.
And you got to mentally just know it's worth it. So bad.
3 cars in front of us.
3 cars in front of us. So this is the thing with boondocking. You can't make reservations. Ooh, and there's actually like 5 cars in front of us.
Oh no.
I see 5. And we are doing this on a Friday because we are weekend warriors. So there's a good chance we might not be able to get a spot. Although we're about halfway up and I do see quite a few spots over here. Not as good a view, but it'll do in a pinch.
Bummer, bruh.
So this is always the anticipatory part of boondocking.
Yeah.
Is that you see cars in front of you and you think, oh no, we're not gonna get a spot. But right now, everything that I'm looking at in front of us, I don't know if they're all campers. It's hard to tell. It's honestly hard to tell these days. A lot of people car camp, truck camp. The guy 2 cars in front of us, I think he brought his entire backyard grill. It's not even like a camping grill. It looks like a full grill. I don't know. It's looking pretty full. We kind of had a spot and then a lady pulled up right behind us and basically wouldn't move. Said she wanted the spot, I guess, but it really wasn't a great spot for us.
It'd been tough to park to be in there.
Yeah, and no, every other spot we're coming up on is full. So we're feeling a little sad about that, but we're hoping. I mean, what is that? It's a spot.
Look at someone threw a chair down.
Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. It's like trash rolling out.
That's what I feel like it is. Actually, they're trash.
Like they just left it here?
Yeah.
It's pretty wild, but look at this view. Wow.
This is actually the view.
Check out this spot. Just wait for it. Welcome to the edge of the world. Oh, this doesn't even do it justice. Not gonna lie, it kind of makes my stomach drop. The edge of the world, and I can't really capture it, but it is. We are so high, and that is so. Whew. It's crazy.
What you think?
I love it. I'm a little worried about the dog.
Well, let's put her collar on and we'll strap her to a tree.
Okay.
I got one question for you. When is the last time you've gone outside and just gotten away from your 9 to 5? Because like this kind of stuff, you just can't do it. You can't convey the majesty that we're looking at right now. Take the day off. Go explore. Go. A little bit of Chips Ahoy and milk, and the view. It's a no burn day, so propane only.
Let's be real, that's all we would do anyway.
Yeah.
We don't like fires.
We do propane no matter what.
Fires. We did make it up to Edge of the World. We were able to find a really great camping spot. And now we're walking. It's kind of on the roads where people would drive, but it's so remote out here. It's pretty much like a walking path. We're just getting in a morning walk before we make some breakfast.
This is so gorgeous. I just love it. This is one of my favorite spots. I've been camping at a lot of spots, and this is just so peaceful. I have tortillas too. We can make little. All right, looks like we're pretty much.
We just locked up everything because we're going to disconnect from the bean and go do some off-roading. Whenever we leave a campsite, we lock everything up that we know is valuable. Then we leave some stuff out to show that we're still here, basically. So usually we leave our chairs out, our table out. We do lock up the bean, all of the doors, anything that's of value, just because people sometimes do walk through, unfortunately, and they know that you've left and can take your stuff. It sucks. It does happen. You hope that everyone around you is just gonna be good people and not do that, but it's better safe than sorry. Oh my gosh, she's so dusty. Our puppy is dusty. That is one thing I will say about this area. It is very windy. Ultimately, we are in the desert, so there is dust everywhere. And for our little toy schnauzer poodle mix, that means she is basically a Swiffer for everything outside. Oh my gosh, look at you. You are so bad. Say hi. Let's see if Alex thinks it's a good idea to take the top off. I'm always ready before he is, but it's probably because he has more chores than I do. He takes care of everything. Are we looking?
We are looking.
So it's pretty
snazzy.
It's pretty dusty here, but
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
You want the top off, or you want the top on?
I think it'd be nice with the top off.
You want to?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
I will say, pro tip. I just secured our solar panel. It's not windy enough to blow it like away, but you definitely don't want that happening. So I think there's something to be said for a little bit of extra time, even though you're like, hey, let's roll. Taking a couple extra minutes, it's so worth it not breaking, you know?
It probably took us about 30 minutes.
To what? To clean up?
Just to kind of clean up and get everything locked up, and you get disconnected so we can do some off-roading.
So if y'all know about the Jeep life, then you know. I will say, I love, and I know people who just hate Jeeps, just hate them.
Really? Who hates a Jeep?
Oh, I don't want to name them.
It's so fun.
It's not only fun, but
it's amazing.
You just need to expand your horizons.
Seriously, we were Toyota people for 20 years, and then we both went to being Jeep people in the last year. And now I drive a Wrangler. Go figure.
Wrangler. We should have brought the bikini top.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to wear my hat. Okay. I can't do sun on my face, guys. Alex hates when I wear a hat. He thinks I look horrible.
Babe, not the hat.
Is it just this hat, or it's all hats? I feel like any hat I wear, you never like it.
I think we need to just get you maybe the right hats.
But like, what is that? Like, I think it's just my big head you don't like.
That's not it. Make sure our dog doesn't fly out the window. That's your job.
Oh my gosh, she's still dusty. She is so dusty. She's basically our keepsake. We take home something from our campsites, and it's all of the dust
all of her
stored
dirt
into her body. I love having the open top. You can see the treetops.
Hallelujah.
You just have uninterrupted view. Just a slight little bar, but that's it. And then there it is. As opposed to just driving with your windows down. This is all you get to see.
People can argue, hey, I have a moonroof. It's just not the same.
I don't think it's the same. It's so much wider, I think. I don't know. There's just, look at this. This is incredible.
just spotted something. I gotta show you. Here. Jubilee, let's go show them. Come on. Beautiful here. Check this out. There's the love of my life.
If we tip, I'm going into this pile of thorns. We didn't tip. We made it. And that's why we love the Jeeps. The articulation. That's what it's called. The articulation. People are going to be getting a kick out of how little I know, but how much I will do.
I'm actually not a nap person one bit, but something about when you have a cold breeze blowing across the beam and you get to just lay down and enjoy it. And nap. It's pretty amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Record because it was all happening so fast, but basically a guy walked.
You hid.
I did have to hide. I hate confrontation. A guy walked right here, back this way. And mind you, I'm sitting in the Teardrop on my bed, looking out. This is the view from my bed. And he walks right here, over here, and then stands right here with his dog. And we have a dog.
Yeah, it's like so many things could happen.
And our truck is right here. And yeah, so that happened. And Alex he wasn't having it.
Do people have it though?
I don't know. So that's the question now. What is camping etiquette in primitive boondocking areas? You know, typically where there's a fire ring, there's our fire ring right there. Now, granted, this is probably the most amazing view at this campground. So I get that people would want to come here and maybe take a picture. And we were both inside of the Teardrop. He probably thought we were gone, which we're not sure if that makes it better or worse.
It's worse. This dude walks up, he's like, ooh, that's a great view, bro. And he's taking pictures, and we're laying in here. Bro, what are you doing? Didn't answer. He's half deaf. Hey! He's all, what? I'm like, you're in our camp spot, dude. Why are you 5 feet from my truck? He's like, dude, it's America. I'm like, well, go find your own camp spot in America. Turd. Goodness gracious. Oh, look at, he's right here. Look at this deer.
Aww. So cool. Go, Jibby, what are you doing? Oh, got yourself a stick. That's one way to play fetch. She's a sled dog now.
Yeah, they very good. Looking a little too much.
It's amazing. Oh, it smells so good.
This is a Juby steak right here.
Aww. Hi, honey.
All right, we are morning walk, about 8 o'clock. It's amazing this morning. We had some deer right outside our little rig. There's about 5 of them. It's amazing. So amazing.
5 of them? I thought there was just one.
No, there's one close and then like 4 in the distance. And we're going on this walk, and oftentimes here we see some deer out here. Okay, Brittany just asked, what kind of noises do deer make? And it's actually bucks, I think, that make this, but they go. Brr,
But okay.
brr, brr, brr.
So then what does an elk make?
Oh gosh, I cannot make an elk noise. It's like a high-pitched scream grunt. Oh, I'm not even gonna try it. All right, we are Audi 5000. The worst part of this trip is this road in. Not too bad though.
It's worth it.
It is totally worth it. Good girl. How fresh, like, do you think that's cold?
Yeah.
You do? I don't wanna
Looks
get
so clear. Should put your feet in. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay.
How do I do this? Because it's kind of shallow, you know? Are you ready?
Yeah. Found a spot?
Oh.
Wow, he did it. How's it feel?
Oh. Oh.
Juby was stuck on that rock right there.
How cool is that? So cool. How cool. Isn't that fun?
That was so fun.
All right, you ready to go get a sandwich? Right now it's stop and go, and we're just before Old Town. But like, look at your view. You can just stare off into the distance and look at what you're looking at. That's beautiful. I mean, where else do you get these views? You know?
Yeah, it's incredible. On our next journey, we stay close to home and head to North Phoenix for some off-roading with some friends. Alex takes his Gladiator while I tackle my hardest trail yet in my brand new Wrangler. And let's just say, there were some unexpected bumps.
Just you need a new one.
Not to worry, there were more laughs than fears, and this is one journey you don't want to miss.